by PEBBLEZ Pedagogy for NEET Biology. The first chapter encompasses the 7 life processes of living organisms. To know about the 3 life processes that we have already discussed, you can refer back to my video that I've already published. Today we are discussing about the 4th life process, which is growth. How do we define growth? Growth is an increase in mass. It is the increase in mass and the number of individuals. This is nothing but, or this is called as growth. What do you understand by the term mass? Are mass and weight the same? Well, they are not. They are 2 totally different concepts. We will be discussing about mass. Mass is nothing but the amount of matter present in any substance. I repeat, mass is the amount of matter present in any substance. We shall discuss about weight later on. I don't want to confuse you with that at the moment. Okay. So, when we are defining growth, we refer to the terminology, the mass, right? I wanted you to know what mass is. Mass is the amount of matter present in any substance. I'll go back to the definition of growth. Growth is an increase in mass. It is increase in mass and also the number of individuals. Okay, all right. So, here is an image which I've of course downloaded from the net. A seedling growing into a complete tomato plant. All right. And a baby or an infant transforming itself into a adult or an old woman. Growth is seen both in plants, okay, and in animals, but there is a difference. While plants exhibit growth throughout their lifetime, animals don't, human beings don't. What do you understand by that? We keep growing old, isn't it? Some of you might be thinking of it, right? But here is something which I want you to focus on. Up to a certain age, all right, you can see growth in human beings. We grow. After a certain age, there is no growth seen in human beings, but there is only development. No growth, but only development. But when we are young, there is both growth and development. Okay, I think you might be getting confused with what is this growth and development. I'll help you understand the difference. Do not worry about it. So, I would reiterate the definition of growth. Growth is the increase in mass and the number of individuals. Okay. In multicellular organisms such as plants and human beings, growth is exhibited by, of course, cell division. In plants, growth is seen all through their life, while there is only growth up to a certain age in human beings. Later on, there is only development. What is this development? Development is referred to as overall change. It is an overall change in the structure. Okay. It is an overall change in the structure of an organ. Here we are taking an example of an organ, okay, that has led to the improved functioning of this organ, okay. the development has resulted in improved functioning of this organ. Improved functioning. Okay. So development is defined as an overall change seen in the structure, okay, resulting in an improved functioning of that particular part of the body. Here I've taken an example of organ. So when we are young, we would definitely have, I'll take the example of apologies, I would take the example of reproductive organs. We already have reproductive organs when we are born, but they only start to develop once we reach puberty, isn't it? So they will achieve a change, overall change in the structure, leading to improved functioning of their or probably improved functioning of these reproductive organs when we hit puberty, right? So this is the basic difference between development and growth. Growth is an increase in mass and also the number of individuals. Growth in multicellular organisms is seen by cell division, is mainly through cell division. I've taken the example of seedling growing into a tomato plant. Okay, of course there is growth and development both happening in plants all throughout their lifetime, whereas in animals, especially human beings, growth is seen only up to a certain stage or age, after which only development is seen. Development is defined as an overall change in the structure leading to improved functioning of that particular structure. Okay, growth is more of a change or increase in height. Okay, it can be increase in height, it can be increase in weight, okay, or length with respect to any organism. So all these changes in height, weight, length is growth. Okay, this helps understand the fourth life process, which is growth. And let us see you in the next one, and the next life process shall be reproduction. I want you to like, share and subscribe. Please hit the bell icon to get notification. Okay, see you in my next video, wherein we'll be talking about the fifth life process, that is reproduction.